What's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money with animated video intros, outros, stingers and much more without actually making them. All you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel where I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded. Okay, so I had the opportunity to review the world's first VidSting creator. I'm going to explain to you exactly what this is all about in just a few seconds, but let me just proceed here. And I thought it would be a perfect way to start to make money online with this software here. So what I wanted to do is I'm going to show you actually later on. You'll find a link, of course, in the description below to watch my review. I did also a live demonstration here, and I also include a unique package if you purchase it through my link. So I wanted to do something special for you since you're a subscriber of mine, and this is my way of showing that I appreciate that you are here and watching this video, of course. This is a unique package, but we'll cover the bonus section later on. Let's see first what this is all about. So VidSting is exactly as I said. This is what you do is you create eye-catching video animations in 3 simple steps with the world's first video sting creator. You create intros, logo stinger, animations, outros, and even call to actions. I did a live demo, and let me just show you here what the results I came up with. I did this actually in less than a minute, so let's have a look at it. Okay, could have synced it a little bit better, but I think it's pretty nice. So this took me actually less than 60 seconds to do. Now, the best part is that you don't need any previous experience at all. And there is really so much that is included here. You get 50 pre-done templates, you get 100 music tracks, 100 background videos, you can even play background videos, and 100 transparent videos. So this is definitely a super big startup kit. And I explain everything actually in my review. As I said, I also show you how fast I did the live demo here. It took me less than a minute, and you don't need to do anything at all. All you have to do is enter the logo, add the logo there, add the music, make some tweaks, and then you just render. Now, why is this a perfect make money opportunity? Well, first off, I think actually they mentioned it here in the sales page. You can actually sell these kind of intros, outros, and the stinger animations here on popular sites like Fiverr. So you can create a Fiverr gig, for example, and sell those. Go to Upwork or Freelancer. Now, I'm not sure about 300 to 500, but it doesn't matter. Let's say, for example, that you sell these for 50 bucks. You will definitely get a few sales. But here is my biggest idea opportunity, what I would do actually. I would go to a few offline businesses, and I would offer them as a service to sell these kind of animations. What you can do, you can actually take your laptop or your tablet with you and have a few samples there. So all you have to do is when you go in there that you say that I'm just going to take 1 minute of your time to see if this is something that you're interested in. So 1 minute I usually say, okay, no problem, go ahead. And actually an idea would be, you can actually, if you find the logo, why not have it with you? Okay, you can already have some kind of a pre-selling there. So this is how an animation would look if you're interested in it. I will deliver the final result later on if you're interested, of course. So why is this a good way? Because I think it's a good entry to that customer. Because if you have one customer like that, he will definitely get back for more. He might want to do some YouTube videos. He might want you to rank some videos. Let's say, for example, that they haven't been in the video business yet, okay, well, then it is a perfect entry to get started with. So why not? I mean, YouTube is the second search engine out there, so definitely worth to make some marketing efforts there. So that's why I think this is a perfect make money online opportunity to get started with. If you don't want to go the offline route, you can definitely go the online, but I think that offline would be probably the fastest way and less competition, of course, to get started with. So I cover actually this in here in my review, and my unique bonuses that you get if you purchase this through my link is Audio Video Mastery. This is my own course. If you have a look at the sales page here, it's about audio and video production, how you can create it like a pro. The difference is that I don't just show the features in the software, but I actually show you in real world examples, videos that I have uploaded, and I show it in a practical way, step by step, watch over my shoulder style tutorials there, which is very popular. I got very good feedback on this course actually. And I also actually include, let's see here, if I scroll down, I also included the Pro version, which has 30 sound effects. We have 10 social media animations, 7 colored and 7 black and white. These are exclusively custom made for Audio Video Mastery. Also, we have the branding kits. This is also custom made. You won't get this anywhere else, and if you would have purchased this kit, I think you would have paid something for like $500 to $600 easily, to be honest. Also the music kit, these are 10 tracks. You can't find them in a package like this. You can buy them separately for $20 each. So only the music kit is worth $200 and more. Okay, so you get a huge package here, which is about audio and video. So definitely much more worth than just purchasing the VidSting here. One thing to keep in mind when you get to the sales page, get this. This is the commercial license, so you can sell the videos, okay? The funny thing is that I don't know why they do it, but it's only $2 in difference. So this is for 27 and this is for 29. So it's a no-brainer in my opinion, okay? Seriously, this is really a cheap investment to get started to make money online with animated video intros, outros, and stingers. Alright, I will leave a link in the description below. Go ahead, you will be redirected to this site. Watch that video and go ahead and purchase VidSting with my unique bonuses that you get here. You can have a look at them here through my link, of course. Alright, that's it. Thanks a lot. I really do appreciate for stopping by here. If you're new, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel where I upload videos about how to make money online and work from home opportunities on a consistent basis. And yeah, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Click the link below now to get started with VidSting to make some money online.